Hi guys, welcome to Vani's Vanity. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 hacks with which you can take your eyeliner game to the next level, and this is how. So for the first hack, we will require sticky tape. I've taken a piece of sticky tape and sticked it next to the lower lash line. You can align it the way you need your wing liner to be. Now once you're done lining the wing, you can go ahead and complete the rest of the eye with the eyeliner. You can go in with a thin or a thick liner, however it suits you. And once completed, go ahead, take off the tape, and you will see how nicely and accurately the wing would come out. So for the next hack, we will require a plastic card. Just take the plastic card, use a liquid liner at the edge of the card and stamp it to the outer corner. Now finish it up by joining the rest of the liner to the wing, and here we go. So for the next hack, we are going to be using a bobby pin. We are going to go ahead and paint the bobby pin with the eyeliner and stamp it next to the liner. It is going to draw the wing for us, with which we can go ahead and fill in the rest of the liner. This helps the best for the thick liners. So if you're somebody who loves thick eyeliners, this is the best way for you to get a very dramatic wing. And the last hack is conceal your mistakes. As I've always mentioned, concealer is one product that's a lifesaver when it comes to makeup. So once you apply the eyeliner, go ahead, make the wing without worrying about how it's going to come out to be, because we're going to take a little concealer and just with the help of a flat brush, wing it whichever way you wish to, just how I do it in the video. Once done, just go ahead and blend the concealer in, and voila, you've got the wing that you'd like. So these are a few hacks that have helped me, and I hope these help you out as well. If you did like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.